Hi, this is Ahmad from Graphical Academy. If you are a professional photo editor and retouching portraits, we struggle to have you zoom in and out again and again to see how it looks when you zoom out the whole image. It takes a lot of time. What if you could open the two windows of the same document? I mean, one is for the zoom preview and other one is for examine. How does it look like? So let's find out how we can do that.
So I'm gonna show you how to open the same document in two windows that you can retouch so quickly. You don't have to zoom in and out again and again. So click on this window, arrange, and click on this new window for your images, and that's it. So go to the window again, arrange, and you can set up to horizontal or vertical. It's all up to you. I'm gonna choose vertical, so that's it. I'm gonna zoom in and work on it. Whenever I do some changes, it will apply on the second image too, because this is the same image that I'm working with. So for example, I do some changes like this. You can see this, it's apply on the second image as well. So that's the way you can edit your images really fast, or your retouching speeds fast, so you don't have to zoom in and out again and again to see how does it look when you zoom out the whole image, or whenever you have to really precise in the editing or in retouching. So that is really amazing technique for the retouchers or editors. So that's it. I hope you understand it well.
So that's it. I hope this Fast Friday session helps you a lot. If it does, do me a favor. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. So until the next one, think creative.